Hello everyone. Let's explore how you can test an affiliate program workflow in Afflr. Once you're on Afflr's dashboard, head over to the Programs tab located at the top of the page. When you arrive on the Programs page, you'll find a Test a Program button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that button. A pop-up will show up. The first thing you need to do is select a program to test by clicking on the Select Program button. Choose any one of the available programs. Once you've made your selection, click on the Add button. The next step involves selecting an affiliate for testing. You can either choose an existing affiliate or create a new one, depending on your preference. For this demonstration, I'll choose to create a new affiliate. Enter the Gmail ID for this new affiliate. Once you've entered the email, proceed by clicking on the Continue button. You'll receive a link and a referral code. To conduct a test sale, click on the referral link and copy the referral code. For this example, let's click on the Test Sale button. Once you're redirected to your store, select a product and add it to the cart. Next, click on the Checkout button to proceed. On the left-hand side of the checkout page, you'll find a section to enter the discount code. Copy the discount code and paste it in the designated area for the discount code. Once pasted, click on the Apply button. As you can see, the discount code is working properly, confirming that the affiliate workflow is functioning properly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for watching.